Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Lauren if you're new here, and I make beauty, fashion, vlogs, a bunch of stuff on my channel. I would love for you to hit that subscribe button down below and keep on watching. Today I have an exciting video. I'm going to be styling and using the Revlon Volumizer hairbrush dryer. This is like the saving grace of my hair. I have pretty natural wavy hair, as you're about to see what my hair looks like, and my hair with a straightener will never look like this. I'm about to go throw away my cheese straightener as we speak because this is a lifesaver. I used to only get my hair to look like this when I go to a salon. And I don't go to a salon anymore. I do my hair at home by myself because now that my hair is dark. So I never got that natural blowout, and this is freaking amazing. My hair is very thick too, so it takes forever to do my hair. This is all natural. I don't have extensions or anything in. This is just giving me the hair that I've always wanted, and I just did my hair in my lap and I don't have like hair all over me, meaning that it's not ripping my hair, it's not breaking my hair. So you guys have to go buy this. So if you want to see how I used it, if you want to see the results, what my hair used to look like, everything, all of that is about to be in this video, so keep on watching because you're gonna want to see it. Before I get into this video, I want to share today's small business shout out. Every video I give a shout out to a small business, small company that needs some love during this pandemic, during this crazy time that we live in, and I love to support all small businesses. So today I'm going to be shouting out Shop Harlow and Poppy, I believe is their name. I'm filming on my phone so I can't look, but I will have their Instagram here and their link below. And I have a code to use, it'll be below. So go check out their website. They sent me the cutest pieces. I have 3 things to show you. First is this Nyc Knit Sweater. It is so cute. It is in this beige color with a pale blue and kind of a navy cobalt blue on the inside, and I paired this with a white turtleneck because that turtleneck under a sweater trend is super popular. I love this color right now, like this beige color matches my pampas actually, but is so popular. I love it. I actually wore this to work like the day I got it because it's so cute. I'm going to be styling this in so many ways this fall / winter. I guess it is winter now, it's not fall anymore. And cannot wait to add this to my wardrobe. This adorable bodysuit. I'm actually wearing biker shorts that match this exact print, but it is a very stretchy, soft material bodysuit. I think this is super adorable. You can't get enough just simple tank bodysuits to go with, you know, coats and jackets to wear with like different style pants. So I love that they sent me this. I got it in a size small, I believe. I don't see the size directly. It might be one size, so I could have just lied to you, but it does have snaps on the bottom so you can easily get in and out of it. And I am pairing this with this tan leather blazer. I mean, come on, you guys. These two together with like some black jeans is just absolutely beautiful. I'm obsessed. It's hard not to be obsessed, and blazers right now is just all the rage. On top of it being leather, well, faux leather, it's just like amazing. So I got this in a size medium. I wanted it to be a little bit bigger. I honestly could have even gotten a large to go even more oversized, but as you can see, this is just like the most adorable, that was a weird word I said, boutique. Please go check out their website below and enjoy the rest of this video. Alrighty y'all, I'm going to take my hair down. For reference, I don't know if I mentioned this in the beginning of the video, I washed my hair this morning, so it is clean. You can obviously use this when your hair is dry and when your hair is not clean, but to get the best effect and to feel like it works the best, I like to do freshly washed hair. And so I like to wash my hair first thing in the morning, and then I let it air dry for a couple hours. So it's not completely dried. It's a little bit damp, like it's kind of still cold, but it's not wet completely. I think you can use this when your hair is wet, but I think it just takes a lot longer. This is my wet brush. It's the only type of brush that I use. I'm going to section my hair off. So I'm going to start with the bottom pieces. You don't have to do small sections. You can really just like, you don't even have to section your hair. If you just want to like go straight into it and do just like a quick run through, you can do that. You don't have to section off your hair at all. So this is it. I have it plugged in behind me and you can see the settings is off, cool, low, and high. I do it on the highest setting. I start underneath the hair and there's a little section right here that you can hold it, and I kind of just turn it. It's not on, obviously. I kind of just turn it as I go down, so then by the time it gets to the end, it's pretty curled underneath, and then it has a little bit of wave that it gives on the bottom. It looks really pretty. Also, I go through it probably 2 to 3 times each section. I don't go through it a ton. Obviously, I don't want to fry my hair. It does say on the box that it's 39% better, less damaging for your hair. I don't know how true that is, but I used it every day when we were gone for Thanksgiving, and I didn't notice my hair drying. I really don't notice a lot of breakage on my like lap or like my sink where I'm doing my hair, so maybe it's true, but here we go. Alright, so this is the first section that I've done. As you can see, this is my not done section, and this is my finished section. It's smoother. It has a little bit of like a wave on the bottom from where I curled it under, so I think it looks very pretty and natural. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side, and then we'll continue to section off the rest of my hair. Alright, bottom is done. Obviously, I don't spend too much time doing the bottom because you're not going to see it as much. The thing that I do love about this is when I go through and do my whole head, say like fresh out of a shower and it's my natural hair, I take time to really go through and do it all. But say you have second or third day hair, you really don't have to section it off and go through your whole head again. You can use it as just a brush and just comb through it, and it does the same thing as if you were really going through it. It smooths it down, it straightens it out pretty quickly, which is what I love about it. However, if you want to get that volume that it says it gives, you're gonna have to go underneath and pull it down, which you can just, you know, brush through all your hair and then just go through the top layer, which is still a lot less time consuming. So that's what I'm going to be showing you. Alright, so we're going into the last section of the top of my hair. I go through it all as normal. I don't focus too much on this front part and this back part because I do those differently, and I'll show you how I do it. I do it up, well, I go behind it and do it up on both sides so that it gives that volume right here at the crown and at the front of your hair. The rest of it I do like the sides as normal and just smooth it down. So just a hint, if you want a little bit of volume, like I don't really have, I mean, I have a little bit, but nothing too extreme. I like it very like voluminous in the back and in the sides. So yeah, that's what I do. As I mentioned before, I am I'm going to take these front pieces after I get my part straight, and I'm going to take these front 2 pieces. Wow, all I can say is that's pretty much it. Sometimes what I like to do is add rollers around the top, and I did that in our Thanksgiving vlog that I just posted, so go check that out. It is our proposal video. So sometimes I'll do like hot rollers, or not rollers, just like regular rollers, and I'll do it and put them in the top of my hair, and that gives it a lot of volume and a little bit of like wavy texture. So there's a lot of great ways to style with this, and I love it a lot. 10 out of 10, recommend. I'll have it below. It's the best gift. They have it on sale sometimes, like Amazon, things like that. Amazon really always shows the sales that they're having, so definitely check it out on Amazon. If you're interested, they also do coupons for it sometimes too, but this is the best gift you could give someone this season because their hair will look fabulous all the time. Thank you guys so much for watching my Revlon volumizing hair dryer tutorial. Let me know if you have any questions about this product or just in general, and I'd be happy to answer that for you. Thanks again. Bye.